Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope that you all are enjoying the best of your health. Dear students, it is a class of English for the students of class 6. The first segment of today's lesson is a feedback to the task given to you in the previous lesson. And the task was to write the meanings of 8 given words. Dear students, this is lesson number 7, sports and sportsmanship, words and their Urdu meaning. The first word was cheat. इसका मतलब है धोखा देना. Lose, खो देना. Next, nurture, परवान चढ़ना, नशोनुमा पाना. Next is preparation, तैयारी. Quitter, छोड़ जाने वाला. Remember, याद रखना. Strive, कोशिश करना. Yelling, चीखना. The students now prepare a rough page for dictation. There are 6 words for dictation today. After writing the words, I will give you feedback. You will pause the video, have the feedback. The first word is different. Different. Second word is badminton. Badminton. Next, volleyball. Volleyball. Next, selection. Selection. Next, sportsmanship. Sportsmanship. And the sixth word is mistake. Mistake. The students, now this is the feedback. Different, badminton, volleyball, selection, sportsmanship and mistake. The students, after dictation, now we will make sentences of 5 given words. The students, these are 5 words or phrases. The first is participate. Second, take part. दोनों का एक ही मतलब है, किसी चीज़ में हिस्सा लेना. Remember, याद रखना. Cheat, धोखा देना. Yell, चीखना, शोर करना. The students, these all are verbs. The students, you will make sentences of these words with the help of structures that you have been taught in first term or in second term. Students, these are the structures that you have been taught. The first sentence that I am going to make for you, that you can make, I can participate in games. इसी तरह I should participate in games. We can use I want to participate in games. I can participate in school activities. I can participate in speech contests. I want to participate in school activities. I want to take part in school activities. इसी तरह I want to take part in speech contest. I want to participate in speech contest. The students, आप इसको should के साथ भी बना सकते हैं. I should participate in games. I should participate in school activities. I should participate in a speech contest. इसी तरह I should take part in games. I should take part in school activities. I should take part in a speech contest. इसी तरह I want to take part in games. I love to participate in games. I need to participate in games. I love to participate in games. You can make a lot of sentences with the help of the structures that you have been taught. But जब बात आएगी he or she की, he can participate in games, she can participate in games, he should participate in games, she should participate in games. जब वर्ब्स की बात आएगी सिंपल प्रेजेंट की, तो आई वांट टू होता है, लेकिन ही वांट्स टू और शी वांट्स टू होता है. सो यू विल मेक सेंटेंस he wants to participate in games, he wants to take part in games, he wants to participate in school activities, he wants to take part in school activities, he wants to participate in a speech contest, he wants to take part in a speech contest. इसी तरह she के साथ बना सकते हैं. The students, these are two words, cheat and yell at. धोखा देना, शोर करना, चीखना. We will use cannot or should not. We will use negative structure with these two words. I cannot cheat in games. I should not cheat in games. I cannot cheat my parents. I should not cheat my parents. I cannot cheat the teachers. I should not teach the teachers. I do not want to cheat in games. I do not like to cheat my parents. I do not like to yell at my friends. I do not need to yell at anyone. कोई सब स्ट्रक्चर यूज़ करके आप इन वर्ड्स को इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं और सेंटेंसेस बना सकते हैं. बस फ़र्क यहाँ पे आएगा कि ही और शी कैन और कैन नॉट के साथ यूज़ हो सकते हैं, शुड और शुड नॉट के साथ हो सकते हैं. बट व्हेन वी विल यूज़ वांट टू, लाइक टू, नीड टू एंड लव टू, वी विल यूज़ डज नॉट इन नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस. ही डज नॉट वांट टू. हम ही डू नॉट वांट टू यूज़ नहीं करेंगे, दैट इज़ रॉन्ग. ही डज नॉट वांट टू येल एट एनीवन. शी डज नॉट वांट टू येल एट एनीवन. नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस के लिए ही शी के साथ ये सिंपल प्रेजेंट में डज नॉट यूज़ करेंगे, और आगे वांट टू, लाइक टू, नीड टू, लव टू कोई से भी के साथ वर्ब यूज़ करके आप सेंटेंस को कंप्लीट कर सकते हैं. स्टूडेंट, देयर इज़ वन मोर सेंटेंस. स्टूडेंट्स, दिस इज़ द लास्ट सेंटेंस. वी शुड रिमेंबर आवर पास्ट. ये मुसलमानों की पास्ट की बात कर रहा हूँ. मुसलमानों का गोल्डन पास्ट था, हमें उसे याद रखना चाहिए. स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ यू विल राइट दीज 5 सेंटेंसेस यूजिंग द वर्ड्स पार्टिसिपेट, टेक पार्ट, रिमेंबर, चीट और येल. इन 5 वर्ब्स के सेंटेंसेस बनाएंगे एंड यू मेक sentences with using any structure that you have been taught. Okay students, this is your homework and this is the homework that you will make sentences. You will also prepare dictation. Okay students, take care of yourselves. May Allah bless you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.